Students, now we are going to see about bank accounts. Bank account include two accounts. They have to prepare two accounts. One is profit and loss account, another one is balance sheet. Now we are discuss about the profit and loss account format. It includes schedules, four schedules: schedule number 13, schedule number 14, and schedule number 15, and schedule number 16. Schedule 13 include interest earned. Schedule 14 other income. Schedule 15 interest expended, and schedule 16 is operating income. Okay, first schedule 13 interest earned. What are the interest earned from other side? So the bank income earned from other side, the income level may be increased. Definitely the income level is increased. So interest earned, first one is interest earned. What are the items are included in interest earned? First one is interest discount on advance bill. Second one is income on investments. Third one is interest on balances with RBI and other interest bank funds, interbank funds. The last one is other incomes. Sometimes some charges may be claimed by the bank. In a customer point of view, most maximum charges are claimed by the bank. So that these are all the interest included in the others category. Then schedule 14 is other income. Other income include commission, exchange and brokerage, profit on sale of investments, then profit on revaluation of investments, then profit on sale of land, building and other assets, then profit on exchange of instructions, income earned by way of dividends, then miscellaneous income. These are all included in the schedule number 14, other income. Sometimes it may occur a loss. So commission, exchange and brokerage are the income. Profit on sale of investment is the income. In case they met a loss, they will deduct the amount. Then profit on sale of investment minus loss on sale of investments. Then schedule number 15 includes interest expended. So interest expended means interest spent on other category. They give on the interest to other incomes. Okay, so interest on deposit, bank provide interest on fixed deposits, current deposits, saving deposits, etc. The second one is interest on RBI, interbank borrowings, others. So these three categories, three schedules include: first schedule 13 interest earned, schedule 14 other income, schedule 15 interest expended. Then remaining one is included, that is operating expenses. What are all the operating expenses? In case a business run, maximum expenses are spended, maximum expenses are met down. So the expenses are operating expenses. The business starting and end process, the process is called operating. So the operating expenses include the start and end of the business. So in bank, maximum operating expenses are included. First one is payment to and provisions for employees, rent, taxes and lighting, printing and stationery, advertisement and publicity, depreciation on bank property, director fees, allowances and expenses. Next one is auditor fees, allowances and expenses. Next one is law charges, then postage, telegram, telephones, etc., repairs and maintenance, insurance and other expenditure. So these are all included in operating expenses. Okay, so first two category is included income. Schedule number 13 and schedule number 14 is included in income. Schedule number 13 is interest earned, then 14 is other income. The other two categories included in expenses. They have spent money to others. Some expenses, they made down some expenses. Schedule number 15 is interest expended and schedule number 16 is operating expenses. These are all the four schedules only included to calculate the profit and loss account in bank accounts. Thank you.